Hi everyone, welcome to Educon community. So from today we will discuss about the Java interview series. So this is our new series. So you can go through the questions and answers which we will discuss, and this may help in your interviews. So we are going to start. So the first question is like, what are identifiers in Java? So identifiers basically are the names which are being used to identify the class or a level or a method or a package, anything like that. Those things are called as the identifier. So I'm giving you one example. So package com.educon.community, then class sample, then int a, then public void display. So this is a code snippet. And here you can see the package name is com.educon.community. So this is one identifier. Next is class sample. This is another identifier. Then integer data type A. This is a variable name A. So this is our third identifier. And next the method name display. This is the another identifier. So in this block of code, there are four identifiers which we have identified, right? And identifiers are also case sensitive, and we can define identifiers of any length, but preferably 4 to 15. This is our preferred length for identifiers, right? So go to the next question. So in below example, how many identifiers are there? So the example is like public class demo, then public static void main, then int a equals to 20. So you can see here, the first identifier is class name as demo, then our method name, which is main. Next is predefined class name, which is string. Then the variable name arguments. Then the another variable name, which is a, right? So 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. So there are 5 identifiers. Cool. So next question is, which characters are allowed for identifiers? So identifiers can have all the alphanumeric characters like cap A to Z, small a to Z, and 0 to 9. And along with that, $sign and the underscore, which can be denoted as like this. Okay. So those are the identifiers, right? So next question is like, can we have an identifier starting with a digit? This is a big no. So any identifier starting with a digit is not allowed a valid Java identifier. So we have told you that only the alphanumeric characters and $sign and underscore sign, those can be the identifiers. Okay. So that 0 to 9 is also identifiers, but we cannot start with the digit. Okay. Like we cannot have first variable as identifier. It can be like underscore variable, a variable, anything like that. Okay. So there will be no digit at first for an identifier. We cannot start with a digit. Cool. Next is like, can we use reserved word as identifier? No, we cannot use reserved words as identifier. Like string final equals to final string. This is invalid statement, as final is reserved word in Java. So we cannot use the reserved words as identifiers, right? So I have noted down these 5 questions, and also we have discussed the answers of these 5 questions. So if you have any other questions related to identifier, then you also can comment below. Okay. Next, we will again discuss the other topic, like some reserved words in our next session. Okay. So that's all for now. Bye everyone.